Hello and welcome back to HLS Crypto. My name is Dan. So today, why I'm so bullish on VRA Veracity and an update. As you know, I'm a holder of VRA. One thing I want to touch on straight away as well is that the last video we made about VRA, people were asking about the Vera Wallet and staking. So the Vera Wallet is here. You can go onto the verawallet.io. You can sign up with that, basically connect your wallet, and then you can stake VRA. People were a bit unsure about the staking rates because I don't stake currently, but I used to stake back in 2021. But right now, your staking reward is 0.0411 per day. So it's 15% per annum until the 31st of March next year. So there's still a few months left of that. If that's what you want to do, I don't personally stake my VRA, although probably I should do because I'm probably turning down free money there essentially. So the first thing I want to get into as well is that Veracity, so VRA burns 50% of its maximum supply following a landmark community consultation. And I think this is quite key. So Veracity, VRA has burnt 50% of its maximum supply today following one of the largest community consultations in crypto history, with further plans to move 90 billion tokens currently reserved for data circulation to a new blockchain. Open to over 500,000 community members and token holders, Veracity's community consultation marks an inflection point for the project, which has transformed its position in the market through a strong focus on commercial adoption and transparent communications. Following the consultation, the decision was taken to burn 10 billion VRA tokens, originally minted as part of a strategic reserve wallet for future business use. Today's burn effectively caps VRA's circulating supply at just 10 billion. Veracity is no longer required the 10 billion strategic reserve tokens following the commercial success of its anti-bot advertising technology, offering powered by its patented blockchain technology proof of view. The company announced at the beginning of the year that this solution was already in use by clients, with business development continuing throughout 2023. Veracity can now expand operations and scale using revenue generated from its technology. Circulating VRA, which is now just 10 billion, will retain its utility within the Vera Views advertising ecosystem as a payment option for clients to use within the Vera Wallet staking ecosystem as a deflationary token, which is great. Subject to quarterly burns, over 155 million VRA was burned in H1 2023 alone. Today's 10 billion burn represents one of the largest single burns of any crypto project to date, proving that Veracity's new focus on a community-led strategy that delivers value to token holders whilst also remaining agile for commercial rollout. The Veracity team has also stated that it's actively looking for alternative blockchains to move 90 billion proof of view market tokens, which facilitate data transfer for its advertising stack and do not contribute to circulating supply. That was a fly, by the way. I'm not just having some sort of fit. So that's great news. I'm bullish on that. And there's actually a post on x.com which goes into this. So last week was so big for VRA. Now when things have started to settle, let's recap what's really happening with Veracity. There's a fly on me again. Understanding the monumental 10 billion VRA war chest burn. Now, this is interesting. So Veracity has burnt 10 billion VRA from their war chest, as we just discussed. This represents a total of 50% of their max supply. But why is this significant? By burning this amount, Veracity Tech has willingly let go of potential funding worth over $60 billion at that time. What could justify such a move? Well, no team would just give up that amount of funding just like that. Vera Views' commercial rollout has completely transformed VRA's value proposition to a behemoth. In just 3 quarters of this year, VRA has seen enough revenue to buy back from circulation and burn $1.5 million worth of VRA. I'm assuming they made $3 million in that period. That's obviously an assumption. We don't know the numbers on that. And the year isn't over yet. So this isn't about burning war chest tokens for the sake of deflationary mechanics. It's a bold statement. Veracity is essentially saying, we believe so strongly in our product and its future revenue potential that we're willing to forego $60 million now. This is a testament to their confidence in Vera Views and its trajectory. So there you've got like the road to success. It's the iceberg model. So what people see is very much only the success part of it. What you don't see is all the bits underneath, the hard work, the sacrifices, the failures, and things like that, which is why some people say, oh, people are an overnight success or whatever, when they tend to be. They tend to have worked hard at it. Obviously, there are exceptions to that rule. With 1 quarter left so far in this fiscal year and the steps Veracity has taken so far in 2024, 2024 promises to be a breakthrough year, especially with the contract separation. And then if you go on to this post as well, so it's a milestone, a new major milestone for proof of view. So it's now secured a patent approval from the Europe Patent Office. One of the most important advertising markets worldwide is digital advertising, and it adds 526 billion euros to the EU economy each year, according to the IAB. Vera Views can now market proof of view across Europe with full patent protection, building on our European events and industry links. So that's obviously massively bullish too. And then this is explained a little bit more here. This is a good post actually by the Wolf of Blockchain. I suggest if you want to have a little follow of him, I think you definitely should. So here's this in-depth analysis of VRA's latest triumph, the approval of their patent by the European Patent Office, or patent, I don't know. I don't know why I can't get that word right. This achievement is far more than just a milestone. It's a monumental leap forward in its digital advertising realm. Dominating market figures, the digital advertising market is soaring, with projections reaching an impressive $118.3 billion in 2024. In this thriving landscape, Veracity's innovative POV technology stands out as a game changer. The regional prowess. So Veracity's POV patent now covers key economies: USA, China, South Korea, Hong Kong, Eurasia, and Europe. Thanks to Mick Reed for putting that one in the post. So obviously that's another person you might want to go and follow if you're a holder of VRA. These regions represent not just milestones, but the foundation of a transformative era in digital advertising. 3, programmatic advertising and industry evolution. Programmatic advertising accounted for 82% of digital advertising revenue by 2027. It's the future. Veracity's POV technology adds a unique layer of personalization, redefining the standards of programmatic advertising. European digital ad spend surge. So in 2022, Europe witnessed a remarkable surge, with digital ad spend increasing by a significant 9.8%, reaching 86 billion euros, as per the IAB Europe AdX benchmark study. Veracity's POV technology, combined with the industry surge, paves the way for transformative advertising expenses. This approval aligns seamless with the IAB staggering figures, showcasing digital advertising's dominance. 37.2% of total advertising revenue, 526 billion euros, injected into the EU economy, and a substantial 41.9 billion in annual revenues. If you want to check that out, you can look at it here. So that just shows you how digital ad spend is in black, and it's just increasing over time, and it will obviously continue to increase, which puts us in a good position for holding our VRA, especially with them patents and things that can't be copied. I'm excited. I'm glad that I had VRA for as long as I have done, and continue to DCA into. So now we look at the price. So at the minute it's 0.004. It's down 2.8% today. But like I said before, the day-to-day kind of stuff, it doesn't really concern me too much. It's more about the long term. If you look at the max chart, we can see what happened in 2021. Obviously, when the bull run hit, massive spike. And then we're down here again in the boring phase, as what I mentioned yesterday, or the accumulation phase is probably a better way to call it. I'm really looking forward to seeing how far this can go with this latest news, with the burns and things like that. What price do you think VRA is going to hit? I was going to be happy between 10 and 20 cents on my previous VRA video, but now with this kind of bullish news, could it push forward to that 50 cent mark? If it does, that's 100x almost, or a bit more. That would be very, very good. Do I think it'll hit 50 cents? I'm not sure at this stage, but I definitely look at it 10 to 20 cents is where I'm going to be layering out for sure. But if more bullish news like this comes out for VRA, then obviously that price prediction could change as time goes on. Are you a holder of VRA? If you are, let me know in the comments what you're most bullish on. Let me know if you're staking as well with Vera wallets, because I think I might have to look into doing that. I've not done it for a while now, but I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe if you can. That's always appreciated. I hope you have a great day wherever you are in the world. Enjoy yourself, enjoy your day, enjoy your evening. Thank you very much for being with us again today. And as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Take it easy. Goodbye.